Can you solve this Maths Olympiad problem we have on the board? If you think you can, pause the video and make a guess. Let's try to find the value of x in 5 power x plus 5 power x is 100. All you have to observe is that we have two 5 power x's. So we can now say that 2 into 5 power x is equal to 100. Okay, we added them. That means since we have two lots of 5x, we can divide by 2 and divide by 2. So when you divide through by 2, you can now see that 5 power x is equal to what? 50. Okay? Because 100 by 2 is 50. Then again, we are going to think, can we express the left and the right hand side to be in the same base? This is base 5 and this is base 50. No, we can't. So what do? We introduce the logarithm. So all we have to do is just to take the logarithm of both sides. So if I write log 5 to the power of x, I will now have log 50. Okay? What the law of logarithm, which says that whenever we have a number in a logarithm raised to a power, we just have to multiply the power to the log. So this case will now be applied here. So the power here is x. So we'll multiply x to log 5, and that's equal to log 50. So the next thing we do is to divide through by log 5 and divide through by log 5. If we divide through by log 5, we are now having that x is equals to log 50 over log 5. So here, what do we observe? We need to simplify the value of x. How do we do that? 50 can be seen as 25 times 2, right? So we now have that x is equal to log of 25 times 2, then divided by log 5. Okay? Another law of logarithm which says that whenever we are multiplying logs in the same base, we are free to add the logs separately. So what do we do here? We'll now write this as log of 25 plus log of what? 2 divided by log 5. Okay? If we have this, we can now see that 25 can be seen as 5 squared, right? So we split the fraction. So our x will now be equal to log of, instead of writing 25, I'm going to write 5 squared. So I have it as log of 5 squared over log 5 plus log of 2 over log 5. Good. Using this particular law, since we have to multiply the power to the log, same thing is applied here. So this will be 2 log 5 over log 5, then plus log 2 over log 5. And we have to cancel out log 5s. We are having it as 2 plus log 2 over log 5. Okay? There is another rule of logarithm which is called the change of base. When we have a common base, we can now write it to be that x is equals to 2 plus, now we use change of base, log of base 5 of 2. And this is the actual value for x. Okay? If you found the video interesting, please like, subscribe for more exciting math tutorials like this.